Good morning, everyone. Today, dear, we'll discuss about what is the El Nino and Southern Oscillation. These are the topic today we are going to discuss El Nino and Southern Oscillation, or in El Nino and Southern Oscillation. These are the two words which make a phenomenon which changes in climate. So, what is the El Nino? In simple language, we can say El Nino means what? That is the warm current. It is the warm current. Warm is the hot current. Hot, that is the warm current, which flow inside the ocean water. That is known as El Nino is the process where the cold current change into the warm current, a periodic or cycle manners like after 2 or 5 years. It may be upon such phenomenon inside the Pacific Ocean that is known as the El Nino. And what are the southern oscillation? Due to that, due to the warm current, what happens inside India? You know, many times there is the delay in monsoon and uneven rainfall through the monsoon. So that is known as the southern oscillation. This all events known as this all phenomenon or changes that is known as the southern oscillation. So today we'll discuss this topic here today. Madagascar. Okay, this is Madagascar and Peru, a country located at the western part of Southern America. Peru. Okay. Or when we take inside the globe, so such area will become in front of or area located at Australia. Okay. Like Australia also. So through the Peru, every year there is a current originated from the Peru, that is cold current, and that cold current flow in such manner like and touch the eastern part of Australia. That part, eastern part of Australia, that part, and become a hot because Tropic of Cancer passes from Australia and become hot. Again, it changes into the cold current. So through this, what happened? That is the cold current which come through the trade wind and from the Antarctica. In simple language, we can say through the Antarctica when a cold currents come from bottom side of the Africa continent, and that cold current create the high pressure at Madagascar. In simple language, when a cold current comes and it creates the high pressure. Cold current means it will be decrease the temperature. When temperature will be decreased, so pressure will be high, you know. So it become a high pressure or it will push the monsoon wind towards the Indian side. Like this is the simple phenomenon happens inside our we receive rainfall. That is the simple process or simple phenomenon happens. But what happens after 2 or 5 years? Such cold current change into the hot current. Such cold current change into the hot current. Hot means hot water. Okay. So what happened, dear student, when a hot currents come through the Peru side and when it increase the temperature, so pressure will be low. So when a pressure low, this happens after 2 or 5 years. So when a hot current maybe comes and hot current increase the temperature of Madagascar and that surrounding, so it will decrease the flow of or maybe the speed of the monsoon wind, that process is known as the El Nino and Southern Oscillation. So this process is known as the Southern Oscillation. Why this happens? This happens due to the many times what happened due to the global warming, due to the when a temperature greenhouse effect, when a temperature increase, so such phenomenon happens after 2 or 5 years. That is known as the El Nino. And this process, what result Indian monsoon face due to that when a hot current maybe comes, so due to that uneven rainfall inside India. Uneven means the suppose any one area receive the heavy rainfall, rest of part drought like that happens. And another one, delay in monsoon. Sometime delay in monsoon, whatever that we means the decided by the satellite or whatever. So it may be delay in monsoon. Mostly monsoon come inside the India at the last week of June or maybe the first week. So it may be delay inside for a monsoon. This all process is known as the El Nino and Southern Oscillation. What is the El Nino? Hot current is the El Nino. Hot current is the El Nino, and due to that, what result we have faced? This whole process is known as the Southern Oscillation. Okay, dear. So this cold current flow from the Peru country, which located western part of Southern America, and it originated during the month of December. That's why this is known as the baby Christ also, because that is the season of baby Christ, or maybe such current is known as the baby Christ. Or that result we have faced, whatever result we have seen through this, that whole process is known as the El Nino, dear. Are you able to see the slide here?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, see them. What is the El Nino and what is the Southern Oscillation? These are the two words here which made the ENSO. Okay. So what is the El Nino? Both are the process which interrelated to each other and affect the Indian monsoon. What is the El Nino? It is the periodic development of warm ocean current along the coast of Peru. So you know, early time normally only cold current flow from the Peru, but 2 or 5 years after 2 or 5 years periodic changes in climatic conditions, and that cold current change into the hot current, and when a hot current flow from the Peru, that process, that phenomenon is known as the El Nino. So El Nino is the only warm ocean current. Due to the El Nino, the sea surface temperature increase. You know, hot current will be increase the temperature. We know very well. And the trade winds in this region become weak, which play the important role for Indian monsoon. Trade wind becomes weak in that area. Those trade winds come from the Antarctica side. See another. What is the Southern Oscillation? So reversal pressure condition in Pacific Ocean. Reversal I will explain on blackboard. Weak high pressure means the low pressure in Southern Eastern Pacific Ocean. High pressure at the Western Pacific Ocean. Change in the direction of surface wind, climate, precipitations also changes. That is known as the El Nino. What is the story of Southern Oscillation? See, so high pressure at the tropical Eastern South Pacific, tropical Eastern Indian Ocean, tropical Pacific Ocean explains the low pressure. Strong easterly flow and the ocean current is governed by them. Further phenomena are followed by this cycle manner, and but when this pressure condition got reversed, this is known as the Southern Oscillation. See through the diagram. Okay. Now see the diagram here. This is the Madagascar. Are you able to see the cursor? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
This is the Madagascar. and from air monsoon wind flow, okay, and that is Peru country. So these are the two color are given, one is the blue and another one is red. Red form warm current and blue for the cold current. So that is the cold current which flow, and cold current flow from the Peru country, and it become the hot because when it touch to the equator line, equator area, equator line, so it become hot. And again when it comes at the that side, means the Pacific Ocean, it become cold because that is the temperate area. So this cold current, you have seen the cold current where my cursor is running, and air you see the cold current, and this cold current decrease the temperature of Madagascar. So when temperature will decrease, so pressure will be इनकी टेम्परेचर डिक्रीज होगा, प्रेशर विल बी हाई, ओके. तो व्हेन प्रेशर हाई होगा तो यू नो डियर winds flow towards the Indian subcontinent with speedily, okay. So it will good for us. But what happens, see through the diagram, as it example, see the same diagram, that is Madagascar air, that is cold current, and yes. Simple, when Indian continent receive the rainfall and India subcontinent we receive the rainfall, that simple process, you know, cold current flow from the Peru country, it become hot and become cold, that is known as the La Nina process. Simple process, there is no changes. Simple when we receive the rainfall or Indian monsoon, that is known as the La Nina, okay. And what happens in El Nino, see through this diagram. In this diagram, when a such cold current in place of cold current, it become a hot, and hot current flow from the Australia and it increase the temperature. So that process is known as the El Nino. So that process is known as the El Nino, dears. Or through this, what happens, you know very well. Okay, dear. In simple concept, it is the Madagascar which is located to close to the Africa continent. Okay, Madagascar. In Madagascar, you know, in simple language we can say कि जितना ज़्यादा बेटा high pressure होगा इस जगह पे, it will be good for us. High pressure कब होगा? When temperature will be cold. When temperature will be cold, when the cold current जितने ज़्यादा flow के यहाँ पे आएंगे, cold current. Okay. So that is. Or these are, suppose we can take the example. These are the pins. A U pin says simple. Take the example like a U pin. Or these are the two magnets. One is Indian Ocean or another one is Pacific Ocean. These are the two magnets which will attract the pin. Pin like a wind system. Okay. So it will attract the U pins. These are the two magnets. Okay. If this magnet means the air pressure will be low, or air also pressure low, or pressure low है 1000 MB. Just an example. For example, समझिए 1000 MB, और यहाँ पे pressure less than 8. Compare than the Indian Ocean, यहाँ पे pressure कम है. तो such U pins will be attracted by the इंडियन मॉनसून, यानी जो ये मॉनसून विंड्स है, ये कौन अट्रैक्ट करेगा? ये अट्रैक्ट करेगा इंडियन ओशन. तो विल रिसीव द गुड रेनफॉल, गुड मॉनसून इनसाइड इंडिया. बट ड्यू टू द हॉट करंट, व्हाट हैपेंस इनसाइड द ऑस्ट्रेलिया, ए वन लॉन्गिट्यूड लोकेशन इज गिवन इन योर एनसीईआरटी बुक, दैट इज लोकेटेड इन पैसिफिक ओशन. और इनसाइड पैसिफिक ओशन, after 2 or 5 year periodic gap between 2 or 5 year, what happens? Such low pressure is higher compared than the Indian Ocean. That is known as the reversal condition. Such low pressure is higher than the Indian condition, Indian Ocean. So when it will be reversal, यहाँ ज़्यादा high pressure हो जाएगा, low pressure हो जाएगा, it means maximum. So it will disturb the monsoon wind. What happens? Monsoon wind start with, but it will be disturbed by the such wind. Maybe this will be attract. This will be decrease the speed of the such monsoon wind. तो such phenomenon is known as the El Nino. सिंपल सा एग्जांपल लीजिए, तो मैग्नेट रखी हुई है which will attract the यूरोपियंस या स्मॉल यूरोपियंस रखी हुई है, ओके। तो अगर ये मैग्नेट बड़ी साइज है, बड़ी साइज मतलब क्या हुआ कि यहाँ पे लो प्रेशर बहुत ज्यादा है, तो इट विल अट्रैक्ट द मॉनसून, ओके। पर कभी कभी रिवर्सल क्या हुआ कि इसका ज्यादा प्रेशर हो जाता है, ये मैग्नेट बड़ी हो जाती है, क्यों? व्हेन एट हॉट करंट इंक्रीज द टेम्परेचर दैट साइड, तो प्रेशर विल बी लो हो जाएगा। हॉट करंट कहां से चलता है? फ्रॉम द पेरू कंट्री, जो किसको टच कर रहा है? ईस्टर्न पार्ट ऑफ ऑस्ट्रेलिया। दिस इज द ईस्टर्न पार्ट ऑफ ऑस्ट्रेलिया एंड इट इंक्रीज द टेम्परेचर दैट साइड। तो ऐसा नहीं पूरी मॉनसून विंड वहां चली जाएगी, नो, बट इट विल डिस्टर्ब द मॉनसून विंड, इट विल डिस्टर्ब। जैसे मान लो मॉनसून विंड बनी, क्लाउड्स बने और यू नो इट विल डिस्टर्ब द मॉनसून, स्पीड डिक्रीज हो जाएगी, इट मींस द डिले इन मॉनसून हो जाएगा। तो दिस फेनोमेनन इज नोन एज द एल नीनो। नाउ अब वी आर डिस्कसिंग अबाउट द rest of point of the chapter. So rest of point that are the weather, you know very well about the weather, hot, cold, and there are two weather. Monsoon onset means the when a monsoon enter inside India, that is known as the monsoon onset, and retreating monsoon when a monsoon return from the India, that is from September to till December. So there are the weather season is given. So in each weather season, you will be study the characteristics of the each weather. Suppose during the during the summer, what happens? There is the one characteristics is given, that is the loo. Loo flow in the western part of Rajasthan and such area or region which are the drought or dry area. And during the winter, we receive the rainfall that is known by the Mawat. During the summer, in the month of the Vesak, Vesak is the Hindi month. And in this month, the West Bengal receive the rainfall that is known as the Kal Baisakhi. Kal means the period time, and Baisakhi means it is the in the month. That's why it's such rainfall received by the West Bengal during the month of Baisakh, approximately March and April. That is known as the Kal Baisakhi. Another one is kid term is given mango shower. Mango shower when you know during the monsoon wind. Kerala receives the rainfall and due to that it is the plentiful for mango ripen, जो इससे mango पकने में बहुत help होती है mango. That's why that rainfall is known as the mango shower. So these are the key term given. And last we can say you know Indian monsoon unify all economical activities in one bond. That's why Indian monsoon also unify all the activity because all agriculture to related, crop to related, all activity depend on the Indian monsoon. If good monsoon, good crop production. If crop production may be possible, so it will increase their purchasing power. When farmers' purchasing power will be increased, market will be run smoothly. When market will be done smoothly, so they may such who supply in market those goods and services, they may be consume the product from the factories. When factories will run, that will be provide the employment for the citizens. So this is the whole process which unify a country into one bond. So dear student, now we have completed the chapter and tomorrow onwards we will start the new chapter from history. Thank you dear, have a good day. If you have any doubt, you may be asked. Okay, later on you may be send the text message. Thanks, have a good day.
Yes, sir.